Namaste and welcome to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets, the spiritual podcast where karma meets clarity and destiny unfolds one episode at a time. Today's episode is titled Destined for Justice: How Nadi Astrology by Astrobhava Resolves Legal Battles. And trust me, if you have ever felt stuck in a seemingly never ending court case or tangled in a legal mess that feels unfair, this one's for you. Because what if I told you your legal struggles might actually be written in your soul's blueprint? And better yet, what if the solution too is written? Let's dive deep into how Nadi astrology, one of the oldest and most mystical branches of Vedic astrology, has helped countless individuals, even clients from the US, overcome legal chaos, all with the guidance of the divine and the precision of your karmic code. Before we talk about legal issues, let's demystify Nadi astrology. Originating from the ancient palm leaves of Tamil Nadu, Nadi astrology is unlike your typical zodiac horoscope. It is based on the belief that sages, known as Maharishis, recorded the life stories of souls who would come seeking help in specific eras. These scripts were written on palm leaves, containing incredibly detailed accounts of an individual's past life karma, present struggles, and future path, even including things like marriage, money, health, and yes, the legal problems. At Astrobhava, we help decode these leaves and guide you towards remedies, often with homas, rituals, and astrological alignments that are divinely tailored to your specific karmic signature. So, why do legal issues happen in the first place? Here's a spiritual truth bomb. Many legal disputes are the karmic outcomes of past life actions. That conflict with your business partner, that never-ending custody battle, that unjust accusation you can't seem to shake. These aren't just random. They are often entangled with past debts, unfulfilled oaths, or unresolved soul contracts. And the longer they remain untreated karmically, the more they manifest as blockages in real life. Now, here's where Astrobhava and Nadi astrology step in. We help identify the exact root cause, whether it's a planetary misalignment, ancestral karma, or a dosh like Rahu Ketu affliction, and prescribe targeted rituals, especially homas, that act as spiritual litigation for your soul. Let me share the story of Jenny, a US-based entrepreneur originally from New Jersey. She was caught in a vicious legal fight with her former business partner over intellectual property. Court hearings dragged on for 3 years. Her health declined, so did her finances. Frustrated, she contacted Astrobhava through our online portal. Through her thumb impression, we located her Nadi leaf, which revealed a past life karmic tie with the same individual, a spiritual debt from a failed alliance centuries ago. And the prescription? A Kal Bhairav Homa to resolve the litigation energy, a Saturn remedy to neutralize delays, a feeding ritual for Brahmins on Amavasya for ancestral blessings. Within 4 months, her legal counsel found a breakthrough. A missing document was miraculously retrieved, supporting her case. The dispute ended amicably out of the court. Coincidence? Perhaps, but in our world we call it karmic realignment. Now, why choose Astrobhava for something as serious as a legal battle? Here's why. We are rooted in authentic Nadi traditions. Our team works directly with trusted Nadi readers in Tamil Nadu. We offer online consultations and ritual arrangements, especially designed for clients in the US and other parts of the world. Our homas are conducted by qualified Vedic priests in South India streamed live for transparency and participation. We don't just give you predictions, we walk with you till the remedy manifests results. And the best part? You don't need to fly to India or visit a temple. We bring the power of ancient wisdom to your doorstep, spiritually and digitally. Let's tackle a few common questions we get from clients, especially those turning in from US. Do I need to visit India for my Nari reading? Not at all. At Astropower, everything is done online, from your thumbprint submission to real-time decoding of your leaf. Once we identify your leaf, you'll get a recording of the reading and the list of rituals recommended. Secondly, how long does it take for remedies to show results? This varies. Some clients feel shifts within weeks, others take a few months. It depends on the depth of karma. What's important is that once the remedies are done sincerely, energetic shifts begin immediately. Can these rituals work for legal systems like in the US or Europe? Absolutely. Karmic energy transcends geography. In fact, many of our international clients have seen out-of-court settlement, favorable judgments, or delays lifted once the rituals are completed. If you are tired of legal limbo and your soul is nudging you toward a higher solution, listen. Your path to justice might not just lie in courtrooms or contracts, but in a cosmic corrections. At Astropower, we are here to help you align with that path. Visit our website, submit your thumbprint, and begin your Nari journey. Or book a free consultation to understand how we can support your unique legal issue. It's time to stop fighting blindly and start moving with divine precision.